I've been on this kick recently that it's like I'm trying to better myself. I don't know if it's like a kick or more of just like me actually trying to improve myself as a person, as a content creator, but I'll just say it's a kick. So I've been on like a self-improvement kick lately, and I recently, maybe like a couple weeks ago, put out a video that was just called 5 ways that I self-sabotage myself. And dear God, it brought a lot of things to light, and I can't say that I'm sorry about making it. I love the fact that I made it, and it really, so far since I've put that video out, it's helped me. It's helped me a lot, actually. And I kind of wanted to follow it up with ways that I'm actually like working on improving myself in content creation, and I guess as a person. Apparently, I need to breathe in between actually talking, so we're gonna do that. So a lot of these things are just going to be like kind of practices that I've picked up along the way. It's just like it's not the journey, it's the friendships along the way kind of thing. It's stuff that I've picked up basically from either watching videos or realizing where I fucked up. And self-discovery is kind of a beautiful thing, you know? So most of this is going to be that, and then at the end I'm going to show you what I use to actually kind of keep myself sane and make content with. So this isn't going to be numbered. This is just going to be me talking. I'm not putting numbers on the screen or anything like that. So one of the things that I've noticed since I've kind of started the self-discovery thing is that I was trying too hard to produce something that I thought would hit, you know? So one of the things that I've done is I've started making more things that I actually enjoy. I enjoy putting out these like little reviews and tutorials that have actually been helping me personally and hopefully helping you. So I've been trying to be more creative and enjoy the process of actually creating content. And that is, for some people, I feel difficult because a lot of the time people are trying to go through and they're trying to make that next video that hits the algorithm and pushes their videos forward and gets them more recognition. And yeah, I mean, everybody is trying to do that. But me, at this specific point, I've come to the conclusion that I need to just experiment more. I am so new to, not to content creation, but to the whole like recorded content, that why shouldn't I experiment? Why shouldn't I try to find exactly where I want to go with it? I want to find my workflow. I want to find what I enjoy making. And with that, I want to experiment with different styles. And that's one thing that I see not a lot of people doing at the beginning, and then people being afraid to do whenever they actually are like making it. And one of the things that I love seeing is I love seeing like these bigger YouTubers say, I've been making X content for this long. I want to change things up and I want to try to see if I like this more. Because when you're making your content, it does take a toll on you because you're trying to make the same thing. You're trying to repeat some sort of like algorithmic hit that you the whole growth thing is definitely like a huge push, and like everybody wants to grow. I want to grow, you want to grow. If you're watching this, you're probably wanting to grow, maybe, we'll just say that. But yeah, I personally have been trying to experiment, trying new things, maybe trying different styles of filming, maybe editing less, editing more, adding B-roll and stuff like that. I'm trying to find my perfect way of making content, because then I can start experimenting more and I can be a little bit different. And I love that. The main thing that I think has really helped me throughout maybe the past year, because I don't know how many of you like looked back, but there was like a good solid year in between content on this channel. I came to the conclusion that It's okay to take time off. It's okay to give yourself a reset, because continuously pushing yourself to the point where you're not enjoying it, it's going to come across in all the videos and the content, because it's not fun for you. And people can genuinely see whenever you're enjoying the content you make. So yeah, I took a lot of these breaks. I've been taking a lot of breaks from stream, which I feel bad about, but I need to remember that I shouldn't feel bad about it, because it's it's common to kind of start favoring one thing over another. And I guess right now, the whole YouTube content stuff, that's going to be kind of my focus at the moment, because it's something that I'm really, really into. That and work just takes it out of me. It's rough. It's really, really rough. So other than that, there's not a lot of other things that I really have done, except for taking people's advice. I'm somebody who sometimes thinks that I know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about most of the time. Well, not, I wouldn't say most of the time, but I've been really, I'm very hard-headed in the fact that I like to figure things out myself. But then maybe talking to a therapist has helped, or just self-reflection. But if there is somebody that knows something more than you, or has a better grasp on something, ask them, because it will help you. You don't have to do exactly what they say, but getting another person's perspective on something, it helps. It helped me. It helped me basically start putting out videos more frequently. Like my previous video, I stated that I am a perfectionist, and I have a problem with putting out some things that I deem not as perfect as they should. I've just been putting stuff out lately. Like, I think it's quality. I feel like quality isn't dictated by how good it looks. And that's a problem that I had to come to terms with. I deemed quality as, you know, this looks great, this sounds great, and everything like that. But I've come to the conclusion, with the help of friends, put out videos that you think are important, that you think are going to be beneficial to somebody, and that you think portrays how you're feeling at that moment. You know? I started putting out more videos more frequently because it's not that I gave up on trying to do some of these things. It's just like I realized I don't need to have some sort of huge cinematic entrance impact or anything like that. I'm trying to help people, and since I'm trying to help people, I need to learn to help myself first. So that's something that I've definitely went into. So now that we kind of talked about like some of the practices that I've been using, kind of rambling on about those practices and probably going off topic a couple times, I'm gonna let you know what I use to kind of keep my head on straight whenever it comes to all the content that I'm putting out. I use something called Notion. Notion.so. I'll put the link in the description just to kind of show you. I don't really have any life-changing templates for it. I've kind of just been grabbing some people's and just adjusting it here and there. If you want me to go through a video of me trying to set up a new one, in me epically failing, or maybe being good, or just maybe a video about me using it and going through like some of the stuff that I used for, that'd be great. I'm not trying to go overview and everything like that, but this is a project management software that I've come to find out is an insanely powerful tool, especially for content creators. And it's not only helped me have a firmer grasp on how I should be getting things done, but it also literally gives me the option to take my phone and put in these ideas as I'm getting them. Instead of using notes, I can use the Notion app, and it goes directly into the database that I'm using for my YouTube videos. And then it puts it on a board or a calendar or a table, and it helps me figure out how I want to do it. The calendar portion's fucking amazing because it shows when videos are supposed to be published and everything like that. And it's just such an insanely, it's such a powerful tool. And I know everybody's just like, this feature's powerful, blah, 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 blah. But no, it's a super powerful tool that has really helped me focus more on making the content. And it's definitely helped me organize it, because that's the biggest problem I have, is I'm not organized. I am not an organized person, and it's terrible. But this is helping me realize that because I'm not organized, I need to do things and discover ways to help me organize a little bit better, you know? Yeah, you know. But yeah, this is mainly just a little video kind of going over some of the things that I'm utilizing to try to make myself a better content creator and like overcome these hurdles from like how I feel like I've been self-sabotaging myself. I'm trying to become a better person. I'm trying to showcase me becoming a better person, because maybe it will help somebody else become a better person, you know? Yeah. So if you want to chat with me about some of this, I do stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 7 p.m. PST. You can go in and say hi. Half the time I'm playing a video game, half the time I'm just talking to people. I don't even know what I do anymore. But also sometimes I accidentally don't stream. So there's that. But I do have a schedule. Okay. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please, hit like the thumbs up and the subscribe thing. I know this is just everything. Just like, oh, he's asking me to subscribe at the end of the video. Oh, wow, that's so original, bro. Yeah, no, I get it. But yeah, pop a like if you liked it. If you're a content creator, let me know in the comments what you're doing to help improve yourself and your content when it comes to either organizational, like mentally. Just let me know, because the thing is, it's like I might not have figured out how I would be able to utilize something unless you guys tell me, and it wowould be great. I want everybody to read the comments and be like, oh my god, I never thought about that, and then utilize it and just become the best content creator that they can. But you know what I'm saying. But anyways, I had fun. I hope you guys had fun. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and on that one, bye bye.